Class 5 English Grammar, page number 106. Topic L, simple future tense. Now simple future tense structure ki thakbe, you can see down active voice will shall plus root form of the verb, and passive voice will shall plus be plus past participle. Past participle to thakbe. Past participle means third form of the verb. So let us look at the two examples. My friends will help me. So what is the object? Me. So me will become I. So I shall hote pare will, kintu main hocche shall. First form er songe amra shall use kori, kintu modern English e shall will dutoi chole. You can put any. So I shall be helped. Be add korbo. Helped is the third form of help by my friends. Number 2, she will answer all the questions correctly. All the questions will be answered by her correctly. Eta korte pari, arekta korte pari. All the questions will be answered correctly by her. Etao korte pari amra. Ekটু change, meaning same. So likewise you will do question number 6. 6 ta korbe. Kemon? Number 7 টা sorry 6 sorry exercise 6 এখানে নাম্বারও দেওয়া আছে তাই না exercise 6 আর exercise 7 m and n এই দুটো করবে আচ্ছা নেক্সট নাম্বার ও দেখো present continuous tense. Now what is the structure? Active voice is amr plus ing form of the verb, আর passive কি হবে is amr থাকবে plus being plus past participle form of the verb. Example number 1, the members are discussing my proposals. What is the object? My proposals. My proposals ta plural are hobe, being hobe, আর third form of discuss discussed. এখানে ভার্বে কিন্তু ing হবে না, third form, আর third form এ কোনো ing থাকে না. Discussed by the members. Sandeep is flying a kite. Object is a kite. A kite is being flown. Fly, flew, flown. Fly, flew, flown. Flown third form. Flown by Sandeep. So number PQ, these two. এই দুটো করো. PQ আর এইদিকে MN. Quickly. Only answers. আচ্ছা. Okay, class 5, check your answers. Exercise 6, number 1. This issue will be discussed. DISCUSSED. Will be discussed. Number 2. Will be held. 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 Will be held. আমি answers গুলোই বলছি খালি. Number 3. Will be declared. DECLARED. Will be declared. Number 4. Will be awarded. AWARDED. Will be awarded. Number 5. Will be changed. 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 Number 6. Will be built. 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 Will be built. Exercise 7. The report. Answer bolchi. The report will be read out by the secretary. The report will be read. 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 Same hi thakbe. Kono change hobe na. Read, read, read. Spelling remains same. Pronunciation paltaye. Number 2. Ankita will play the main role. The main role will be played by Ankita. The main role will be played by Ankita. Number 3. Clear instructions will be given by us. Yes. Clear instructions will be given by us. Number 4. You will surely like the songs of this movie. The songs of this movie will be surely liked by you. The songs of this movie will be surely liked by you. Number 5, I shall learn this poem tomorrow. This poem shall be learnt. But this poem will be learnt, but shall be learnt by me tomorrow. Number 6, she will buy brushes, paints and some papers. Brushes, paints and some papers will be bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, bought, B-O-U-G-S-T, bought by her. Present continuous tense I will discuss in the next class, and past continuous tense, look at the examples. Question number S-T, take it as homework, S and T, and you will do in the notebook along with the questions.